An AI that handles your family's tech support calls in your own voice. That's not a hypothetical. That's something someone actually built last week, and it worked. Here's the context. OpenClaw is a personal AI agent framework that's been running wild since January. You might remember it triggering a Mac Mini shortage because so many people wanted to run it locally. The creator, Peter Steinberger, just told its origin story at TED and then turned around and talked security fixes at AI Engineer Europe. So yes, this thing has gone from indie project to main stage conversation piece in under 4 months. The biggest knock on OpenClaw from day one has been security. Over 1,100 reported vulnerabilities since launch, about 650 resolved or closed. Peter's personal filter for the remaining ones? If the security report is too polite, it's probably AI-generated. His words, "People in security don't usually apologize." That's a genuinely funny way to spot automated slop, and also a little terrifying that it's necessary. But here's where it gets interesting. OpenClaw's real pitch isn't security, it's what you can actually do with it. The platform runs on a simple idea. You define a personality, you wire up some tools, and your agent starts handling tasks autonomously. Email digests, diet tracking, whatever mild inconvenience you've decided is beneath you today. The demo that actually caught attention used a Telegram bot as the interface. You SSH into a server, drop in a soul file that defines how your agent thinks and talks, connect an API for voice cloning, add a conversion script for audio formatting, and write a tools file that tells the agent what it's allowed to do. The result? A bot that receives incoming messages, drafts a response in a specific person's voice, converts it to a voice memo, and sends it back. The whole thing costs a few dollars a month to run on a virtual private server. The use case demonstrated was handling family tech support requests, the ones every person who has ever touched a computer gets from relatives who assume proximity to a keyboard equals omniscience. The bot received a message about a router problem, analyzed it, and responded with a voice memo in the creator's actual voice, emotionally detached, technically correct, completely automated. This is the part that matters beyond the joke. What OpenClaw is really showing you is that personal AI agents are no longer a concept, they're a configuration file. The infrastructure exists, the APIs exist, the voice cloning exists. The only thing that's changed is how easy it is to connect all of them. You don't need a team, you don't need funding, you need a server, a few API keys, and an afternoon. The question isn't whether this kind of automation is coming, it's already here. The question is what you're going to use it for first, and whether you're comfortable with a bot that sounds exactly like you making decisions on your behalf. That second part is worth sitting with. What would you actually trust an AI agent to handle for you, and where would you absolutely draw the line? This has been AI Daily. See you tomorrow.